We got some massive news for Ethereum today as the first Ethereum ETF has been announced. And we have a firm date for the next major Ethereum hard fork, a critical piece of infrastructure moving towards ETH 2.0. And of course, NFT Mania is just getting totally out of control. And in spite of the rather shaky markets today, there's some really big things to talk about with this Ethereum. I just want to remind you guys, look beyond that day-to-day price noise. Use dips as opportunities to add to positions. The big picture for what is happening on Ethereum gets me super freaking excited. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button, and click on the bell to make sure you catch all of my videos. By the way, every single week my team and I produce the Wealth Mastery Investor Report. So every single issue of this report contains a deep dive report on an altcoin. We have a trending coin analysis, top tier technical analysis looking at Bitcoin and altcoins, the latest token sales, an interview with an industry leader, a step-by-step DeFi tutorial, and much, much more beyond that. All of that for less than $10 a week, making this the most value-packed and at the same time the most affordable investor report on the market. Don't miss out on another issue. Click on the link just below me here in the description to learn more about becoming a member today. So let's get into this exciting news for Ethereum. The first big news is that the Ethereum hard fork, codenamed Berlin, is scheduled for mid-April. We do have an official date for that. Now it's based on block time, so approximately we're looking at the 14th of April. Could be a little bit before or after that, by a day approximately, depending on, of course, when that block actually comes out for Ethereum. Now this is important because not only does it bring in important things like streamlining gas for greater efficiency, which we definitely need more efficiency for the gas markets for Ethereum. It also lays the groundwork for the transition to ETH 2.0 and making ETH 2.0 phase 1.5 even freaking possible. This is one of the final stages before ETH 2.0 becomes fully operational. So really important to set the groundwork for that. This is essentially when the ETH 1.0 chain is going to be switched off for good. Now, speaking of Ethereum 2.0, there are now more than 100,000 validators running the ETH 2.0 chain. That is just incredible beyond belief. This is an unprecedented level of decentralization, meaning that when ETH 2.0 launches, it's going to be just like mega decentralized. That's incredible. It also shows just the insane amount of financial belief in Ethereum 2.0 becoming a reality, because this represents more than 3.2 million Ethereum, worth around $5 billion at the time of recording. That means that there is $5 billion of money put in the belief of the launch of ETH 2.0. Now let's get into this mega bullish news for Ethereum today, is that the first ever Ethereum ETF is coming. A Canadian company called CI Financial has officially filed to list an Ethereum ETF on Canadian stock exchanges. Now, considering that Canadian regulators just approved 2 Bitcoin ETFs, there's like literally no reason to think that this application for an Ethereum ETF is not going to get approved. It's going to get approved. So we're going to have an Ethereum ETF trading on Canadian stock exchanges potentially in the next couple of weeks. The Bitcoin ETFs trading in Canada, they've already been wildly popular. I fully expect that the Ethereum ETFs will also be super popular too, because it's a great option for investors with a lower premium than Grayscale. Canada is leading the way when it comes to ETFs. The USA way behind in this game. They need to play some big time catch up here. This is going to be huge for institutions wanting access to Ethereum without having to pay all the crazy fees like Grayscale charges. We also saw this week that a Swiss exchange called 6Swiss launched an Ethereum ETP, which is a similar product to an ETF, and it's nowhere near as big as the Canadian Stock Exchange, but it's still pretty cool. We're still waiting on news too regarding the Galaxy Digital Ethereum Fund launch, which should be happening any day now. And all of this is coming at the end of the month in which we saw the CME listing Ethereum futures, meaning that in just the last 3 weeks, we've seen 4 major on-ramps either launched or announced to be launching soon for Ethereum. This is going to allow for crazy amounts of institutional money to start flooding into Ethereum. This is like some big institutional on-ramps opening up here. I know the price is down today. It's down significantly from the recent all-time high, but there is, in my opinion, zero reason to be bearish on Ethereum. The institutional money flood alone will bring Ethereum up to a 5-digit price tag. So that's $10,000 and beyond. Slowly but surely, we see the value proposition of Ethereum starting to be understood by these big money players. This is the premier internet bond with a lucrative dividend, deflationary economics, and will be the settlement layer of all finance. If you want access to NFTs and DeFi and stablecoins and all that stuff, you just need to buy and hold Ethereum. That's it. And they're starting to wake up to that reality. I strongly believe that we're going to see a 5-digit Ethereum in 2021. So look past that short-term noise. This is still a mega bullish asset. And finally for today, NFT Mania is heating up big time. In the last week, we saw the Nyan Cat meme sell for $600,000. Yes, that really happened. This internet meme sold for $600,000 as an NFT. That's crazy. And today we had a new all-time high record for an NFT sale. This political satire piece on former President Donald Trump sold for $6.6 million. What? That's insane. And yes, this is a real sale. It was confirmed by the platform as a real sale to a real buyer. It's not some publicity stunt. This is incredible. I swear there are too many people out there with more money than sense. $6.6 million for an NFT, man. Anyway, that's crazy. The message is clear, though. Ignore the NFT niche at your own peril. It's incredibly popular and it's growing incredibly fast. Now, when it comes to NFTs, you can do one of two things. Say, but, Lark, come on, man. I can just copy and paste and that's, I've got it. These things have no value. Or you can get on board with what's actually going on. The future medium of art and collectibles recognize that we're witnessing a massive disruption in digital ownership. That's what's going on here. I recently made a video discussing some top NFT projects to look into. So if you're looking for some opportunities, go check that video out. And I maintain, too, that for most people, it's probably going to be a lot safer to play the buy the picks and shovels kind of thing versus searching for gold in the NFT gold rush. Because remember, in the gold rush, not many people actually found gold. They just ended up going broke, right? So, but the pick and shovel guys, they made lots of money. On that thesis, I would like to say to check out Chain Guardians. Now, they're an up-and-coming NFT collectible game. Now, Chain Guardians, it's all about the superheroes. You can basically battle your unique NFT superheroes against other NFT superheroes. You can play in their open world role-playing game. You can even do NFT mining with Chain Guardians. They have a free-to-play game where you can actually go and play it and earn NFTs. You can even then stake NFTs to get passive income, which is a crazy opportunity. So many innovations here happening with NFTs. This is all really cool stuff. Now, Chain Guardians are already working with some major ecosystem players too, like Chainlink and Decentraland, Elrond, Polygon, Exceed.me. Now, I get really excited about some of these gaming opportunities because just look at the insane success of Axie Infinity. If that's anything to go by, it went up like 20x or something like that. If that's anything to go by, then Chain Guardians is likely to do very well too. Now, Chain Guardians is going to be doing an IDO on PokeStarter on March 10th. So if you are keen to get involved in the sale, make sure to go and register your interest and get on the whitelist if you want to get involved. Your question for today: where do you stand on the whole NFT thing? Do you think that this is the future of digital ownership, or are you in the WTF is this crap camp? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.